Our kidneys are one of the most vital organs in our body. Every 30 minutes, they filter out all the blood in our body, remove waste products, balance fluids, and produce hormones that are essential to life. However, due to our modern lifestyle and poor dietary routines, our kidneys can get overloaded with toxins, which can lead to a number of health problems, including kidney stones, infections, kidney failure, and even, in some cases, death. Just like how we need to take care of our heart and lungs, we also need to take care of our kidneys. The food we eat, especially in the morning, plays an integral role in detoxifying our kidneys. If you're looking to give your kidneys a wonderful start for the day, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share with you the top 5 fruits that you should be eating for breakfast to detox your kidneys and keep them healthy. These fruits aren't just delicious, they're the ultimate morning heroes, packed with goodness to cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys from the inside out. So, without any extra fluff, let's dive into the juicy world of these kidney detoxifying fruits and learn how they can help us maintain a healthy and happy life. Beetroots. To kickstart our list of the top kidney detoxifying fruits, we have beetroots. These ruby red vegetables are not just visually appealing, but they're also packed with incredible health benefits that can do wonders for our kidneys. Beetroots are rich in nitric oxide, which is a compound that relaxes narrowed blood vessels, increases oxygen and blood flow, and purifies the blood. Plus, beetroot also contains betaine, which increases urine acidity, prevents the buildup of harmful substances in the kidneys, and reduces the chances of kidney stone formation. There are also some studies that show beetroot may help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. To put it simply, beetroots are a powerhouse of health benefits. While you can eat beetroots raw, in a salad, or roasted, the best way to get all the nutrients is by juicing them. Drinking beetroot juice first thing in the morning is an excellent way to start your day on a healthy note. It provides hydration and nourishment from essential nutrients like vitamins A and C, iron, potassium, and dietary fiber. Consuming beetroot juice regularly will not just benefit your kidneys but also improve exercise performance and lower blood pressure. Just make sure not to overdo it, and avoid putting too much sugar or salt in your juice, as it can have negative effects on your kidneys. Blueberries. Another fruit to add to your kidney detoxifying breakfast menu is the delicious blueberry. These little blue powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients and owe their vibrant color to antioxidants called anthocyanins. What makes anthocyanins a standout is their ability to fight against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and lead to aging and diseases. By reducing oxidative stress, blueberries help prevent inflammation and related health issues. But that's not all. Blueberries also contain a variety of other antioxidants like vitamin C and manganese, which work together to defend against health threats and reduce inflammation. Plus, they're high in fiber, which supports digestive health and controls blood sugar and cholesterol levels. You can easily incorporate these blue jewels into your breakfast by adding them to cereal, oatmeal, and yogurt, or blending them into a smoothie. And for a special treat, you can even make blueberry pancakes topped with honey or maple syrup. If you love berries, you can even mix blueberries with cranberries, strawberries, or raspberries for a nutrient-dense berry medley. All these delicious options not only delight your taste buds but also give you a healthy start to the day so you can take on anything that comes your way. A berry breakfast for your kidneys will surely be a very good idea to maintain good health. Pomegranates. The next kidney detoxifying fruit that I would like to share with you is pomegranates. These super fruits are so beneficial for our kidneys that they have been celebrated since ancient times. Pomegranates are loaded with power-packed antioxidants such as punicalagin and anthocyanins, which fight against oxidative stress in the body. By reducing oxidative stress, pomegranates help prevent inflammation and other related health issues that can harm the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to kidney disease progression, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like pomegranates into your diet can be highly beneficial. Plus, pomegranates also help boost nitric oxide levels in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. As we all know, kidneys require a rich network of blood vessels for proper filtration, and keeping these vessels healthy is crucial for kidney function. Pomegranates provide the necessary support in this area with their high antioxidant content. Additionally, pomegranates also contain potassium, which, if consumed in moderation, can benefit the kidneys. If you want to incorporate pomegranates into your breakfast, there are many enjoyable and innovative ways to do so. You can sprinkle their jewel-like seeds over cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or simply savor a glass of fresh pomegranate juice. The sweet and tart flavor, the vibrant color, and the abundance of nutrients in pomegranates are truly a delight for your taste buds and kidneys. Apple. We all know that apples are the simple, crunchy fruit that keeps the doctor away, or so they say. But did you know that eating an apple a day can do more than just satisfy your hunger and curb those sugar cravings? It could also be a great detoxifier for your kidneys. Apples are an excellent source of fiber. The fiber in apples not only helps with digestion but also aids in getting rid of waste from your body. By easing the workload on your kidneys, apples help them function better and prevent any potential issues. What makes apples special is their pectin content, a type of fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. As cholesterol levels are lowered, the risk of kidney issues decreases, and blood pressure is kept in check. This, in turn, benefits the kidneys and promotes their health. Plus, apples also contain anti-inflammatory properties that help fight against inflammation in the body. The best part is that they are low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, so even those with kidney conditions like chronic kidney disease, transplant, or hemodialysis, 3 times a week, can safely consume apples as part of their diet. You can eat them whole or chop them up into your morning oatmeal. You can mix them into a yogurt bowl or blend them into a smoothie. If you want to try something different, apple compote or baked apples with a dash of cinnamon can make for a tasty and healthy breakfast option. You can even drink apple juice or apple cider vinegar to reap the benefits of this kidney-friendly fruit. Watermelon. The last fruit on our list that can provide a kidney-friendly breakfast option is watermelon. This body-healing fruit is by far one of the most beneficial fruits for our overall health. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating. If you eat it first thing in the morning, it can help replenish your body after a long night of fasting. This is because watermelon contains about 92% water. The high water content of this fruit makes it a natural diuretic, which means that it can help flush out toxins and cleanse the kidneys. Additionally, watermelon is loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can protect your heart and skin from damage. It hydrates and cleanses the kidneys without overloading them with excess sugar and calories. Watermelon is also rich in potassium, which helps regulate the acidity of urine and can prevent the formation of kidney stones. In fact, regular consumption of watermelon or its juice can even aid in breaking down existing kidney stones naturally. So, if you want to start your day off with a refreshing and nourishing breakfast option that supports your kidney health, reach for a slice of juicy watermelon. You can also blend it into a smoothie or add it to your yogurt bowl for some added sweetness and hydration. With its abundance of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, watermelon is the perfect fruit to kickstart your day and give your kidneys the detox they need. While there are also many other fruits like grapes, lemons, cherries, pineapple, and papaya that can help detoxify your kidneys and keep them healthy, the ones that we have discussed in this video are the most delicious, dynamic, and readily available options for your morning detox routine. All of these fruits can be easily incorporated into your breakfast, and their regular consumption can provide long-term benefits for your kidneys. However, it is essential to remember that more is not always better. Moderation is key when it comes to fruit consumption, especially if you have any existing kidney conditions or are at risk of developing them. Before making any significant changes to your diet, consult with your doctor or nephrologist for personalized recommendations that suit your specific needs. We really hope this video is giving you some valuable insights into how you can support your kidney health and start your day off on the right foot with a healthy, kidney-friendly breakfast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep your kidneys happy because they are truly the unsung heroes of our body.